Yeah, hi, good evening, guys. Good evening, everybody. So let's try to understand what's really happening. This like last day we were not here, basically. So in the last day, yeah, there was a sharp fall in the silver and gold as well, but drastically recovery was also there. You can see. So it's like silver basically made a high of like 94 on the day of like 14th, okay, of January. Then what happened? You can see a sharp fall of like almost from 94 to 86, which is 7.5% fall. Okay. Exactly. So then what happened automatically? The fast recovery was also there here. You can see yesterday only it basically recovered where exactly it falls 7.5%. It was a very good profit booking area where automatically it recovered very fast. And today, basically, market is consolidating there only. That's a very good sign. So I'm expecting like it should be like this only for next like couple of days. So then what happens now? It will be a very good level to us to mark like highs and lows, and we can trade in that zone also. Okay. So that is a very good thing. And if consolidation comes in the market, then we can again expect a higher from here. Like 94 is the high what it made. It will try to again achieve the 94. Again from there 96, 97, like that. So that's a very good thing what I can see here. What I'm expecting also. Okay, same situation was there in the gold, but gold is even stronger than silver. So you can see here, basically what happens is like gold is break even kind of a stuff, but silver you see it's like down by 1.5%, 1.7 percentage here. Correct. So let's see any trades we are getting in this setup or anything or something like that. So it's full consolidation from like yesterday. Just let's ask any Deepanshu also if anything is there, like any trades you're focusing on something
Yeah,
like
so guys, yesterday I think on Wednesday we discussed about that. What was doing is that it was the Wednesday chart. I think this was a Wednesday chart.
yeah,
So
true.
here it was making a kind of ascending triangle. So I think this was a time period when we were discussing about gold. So we
Exactly.
were expecting that if the gold gives us a breakout, we can try to go for a long.
Correct.
So if you see guys what happened here, exactly gold took a heavy supply from here and gave a sharp fall.
Correct.
Again, then it recovered. But what happened? Same supply again came in and pushed the price again downside.
Correct.
And now if you see again, gold is completely taking rejection. So here it made a major resistance level. So this is a major resistance level and supply zone. After that, what happened? Market gave a even sharp fall, and now it is taking again supply from here. So what's happening? The people are the traders. If you see, first the supply was here, then those who were short from these levels, now they have converted their position and short still here. So again, this is acting as a major supply zone. So what we need is that if we want to long in gold, so we need this level to be taken out, this supply to be taken out. Otherwise, if you see every time market is testing this level, it is giving a sharp fall. At the same time, recovery is also coming, but still the supply is more. So every time this zone is tapped, what's happening? Supply is coming. So what we need in order to go long, this supply has to be taken out. So what will happen? That supply will turn into again demand, and we can expect that this will be tested in very fast. And after that, if the market is again breaking these zones, so we can expect again gold to make a new high.
That's true.
So for the last 3 to 4 days, if you go in a bigger time frame, you can see this. What gold is doing, it's in consolidating. In a very small range, it is consolidating. So what we need is that a breakout. Only when we'll go long. Otherwise, what will happen after this much of returns? So now the commodity or the asset has to do some kind of correction or some kind of consolidation. So we don't want to get stuck at a price where we are trying to go long because these are the all-time high levels. So either we will wait for a breakout. If breakout comes, we can expect new liquidity will come. But what happens if the breakout is not coming? So all those people who are all those people who are long and try to go long every time the market is making a dip, they will get stuck. And after that, what will happen? Gold may try to go down. So in that position, what will happen? They'll make loss. So for that, we will wait for a proper breakout. Breakout will be again the all-time high. So this candle, we will wait. So you see the levels are 4642. So once we are getting a breakout, we will try to go long. Until unless we have to wait and watch what kind of structure it is making.
That's true. That's true. So basically, you can see it's a very tiny, tiny like candles. That means a very less volume is also there in the market. Not so good volume. It's just trying to consolidate from this
Exactly.
high on this day high, like you can see 12th Monday high. The price is almost inside that candle, right? So it's not going
Mhm.
anywhere. It's good. I said that is not much, if the gold is coming back to like a little bit downside, okay, like 50, 100 points downside is coming and consolidating over here. That's a very good sign that again build up will be there. Okay, people will be trying to betting that a new high will be coming into the picture.
Yeah.
From there again we can take.
Yeah. So one more thing can happen, like if the people who miss those rally,
Yeah.
so they will also try to enter,
Yeah,
and they will see a proper correction of 5%, 10%, something like that.
True, that's also true. So yesterday I was seeing this candle. You see that, like basically silver like corrected very very fast. You see, it was kind of an engulfing pattern only.
Exactly.
Correct. If the candle was closing here, I would have like it's kind of a bullish for next upcoming days. So immediately recovery was there. That is like, oh, the like very strong demand is sitting at like 86 level. Correct. So recovery is very fast here. So if it is consolidating like this only, like in this candle, like whatever the candle of 14th we are seeing here, if the price consolidates like more than like 1 week or something in this candle, that will be very good for us. Okay, so everything will be very very good. So consolidation is required here if we want to see a new highs in the market, so that everybody can enter into the picture. Okay, so if we are seeing BTC, so BTC has recovered very well. So it is like, so basically that is a thing. So now, yesterday we took a trade which like day before yesterday we mentioned you that we will be taking. That was a stop loss for us here. You can see here it was a stop loss for us. So today again we will be planning a trade in the CryptX. So basically, let's see. BTC is there. This was a trade what we were targeting. It took a stop loss
So it
and
took
then
a stop loss.
that area was an important level because huge volatility was there.
Exactly. So this is acting as a strong supply area now.
Yeah.
Before demand, now demand has converted into supply.
Exactly, that's true. That's true. So that's what happening here. So we'll try to see any trades we are getting here, and we will try to take a trade according to that also.
So if you see this full screen, what we will do, we'll try to see the structure of the gold. So first let's do some trend analysis. Based on the trend analysis, we can say that market is in completely consolidation range.
Yeah, it's
Consolidation range. And if you go in 4 hour time frame, you can also find one important chart pattern, guys. If you see here, what kind of structure it is, it's a head and shoulder. So market is making a head and shoulder. What we need is that we need a breakdown of the neckline to go short. So this is the neckline if you see here, and what gold is doing, every time the gold is coming to this level, buyers are coming in.
Yeah.
So what's happening? How many times if you see the this level has been tapped? So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9 times.
9 times.
So demand is very good. But the thing is that if this level is taken out, these people they will be forced to exit their position. And what will happen? Gold can give a sharp downside move like it gave a sharp upside move. So this can be the next target 4545. This can be our next target. So something like this also we can plan in upcoming days. If we see the goal is giving a breakdown of the neckline, and we will put the stop loss somewhere here, and we can easily try to capture 1 is to 1.2 or 1 is to 1 first. And if you see some swing high making here, so you can also reduce the stop loss. So that is also going to be a very good trade. Why? Because this is the consolidation. After a rally, now market is what it is doing, it is making a base. So now we have to see at what level or what direction market is choosing. So based on that, we will try to go long and short.
That's true. That's also we will be considering. But I'm trying to see his like every time it is trying to make a new high here. So you can see here like it's kind of a symmetrical triangle also. You
Exactly.
see, from here the pressure is there, that upside momentum always, and here from here it's like pushing downside. This stuff is going on. So this is like a
Exactly.
like
So
bilateral pattern. So
exactly.
we never know that the breakdown will be there or breakout will be there. That's true. But like this is that kind of a pattern only.
Yeah.
We
So
can
what's
say.
happening? Everyone is waiting.
Yeah.
So everyone is waiting for the goal to decide the range or goal to decide the direction.
Correct.
And after that, everyone will enter.
Yeah, the pace will be very good wherever it goes. Momentum will be definitely there. Just everybody is waiting for the momentum here, what we can say here.
Yeah. So let's see if we can get us some trades also. If you see, guys, this in 30 minutes, this was the opening high. What market is doing? Completely taking resistance from the same level. So I'll mark this level in yellow line so that we can have a proper identification. So this was the Japanese high. And now what market is doing? Once time it tapped, very big crash. You can say very big sharp fall. After that, again testing the same level. So what we can do, either we can try to go for short position with the high of this as a stop loss and again the bottom as a target. So this also we can do. Or if we go in smaller time frame, if we are seeing some sort of shallow rise again, some sort of shallow rise again, so again we can try to go for short position. So we have to wait and see. Otherwise, what will happen? Market is non-directional, completely sideways.
It can easily take your 5 minute stop loss and you immediately consolidate there. That is also possible stuff here.
So that is the problem in the gold, is that if gold becomes consolidated, it will be a highly consolidated asset.
Yeah.
And otherwise, what will happen? It will give a rally and then it will consolidate. So gold is that kind of asset.
Yeah.
So
Commodities, so nature itself is like that, no? So now we can plan a trade here. Let's see in the 5 minutes perspective what's happening. Okay, we are getting a like rejection from there. So basically, we can like see if I am taking a trade from here short. Like if we are planning here, we are seeing a lot of resistance going on here, keeping a 5 point stop loss. If you go for a trade here, then we can easily target for these levels or like these levels
as well.
also possible. So risk reward is pretty much good here, and like from the open. So we need to see that okay, if the price is coming here at the again at the open price, and then any rejection is there, we can go for a trade over that also works fine.
Exactly. Or what we can do is that we can do something like this also. We can take trades from here also with a stop loss of again 4 to 5 points only. So the see idea behind this is that now if I am wrong, what will happen? I will lose 3 points or 4 points.
Exactly.
If I'm right,
That's
I can try to capture 1:3, 1:4. So again, trading is all about risk reward ratio. How well you are making your risk reward ratio. Because if you depend on accuracy, if you are expecting a setup which can give you 80 to 90% accuracy, so what will happen? It will not going to work out in a longer period. And someone is asking something also. So others is asking like you are new forex, which strategy is better to trade? See others in forex, what happens is that now there are multiple things. But you are trading in pairs or whether you are trading in gold. So gold is a commodity. Oil is a commodity. BTC is a crypto. But forex are a completely different thing. So what will happen? Those pairs we have to use something else. So for example, if you are aware of the concepts like liquidity sweep, order blocks, breaker blocks, and session highs. So these concepts you have to study, you have to master. And in live long wealth, we are doing the same thing. So we have students like complete beginners, office goers, so who don't have much time. So what they are doing is that after office or before office, so for that what they are doing is that they want to learn. So we are also providing this kind of educational service where we will teach you everything from the scratch. And after that also we have our own LiveX Capital where we will try to will give you the LiveX accounts also where you can trade.
Now, also like if somebody is joining for a course or something like that, we are giving a instant funded account.
Funded account we are giving, not evaluation.
Not evaluation, guys. We are giving an instant funded account that is $10,000.
Yeah.
Okay, so that is also there. So basically, we are getting a trade kind of a stuff here. So 3 point, what you are expecting, or 4 point stop loss, what you are planning to keep.
Yeah, so 4 point we can plan and we can try to go for a short, guys. So let's go for a short position here. So our entry will be, what is the entry price? 4620.
4620.
So guys, like right now we are going to place a live order. So you can also have an idea how to place a live order. Hmm. Wait. Hmm.
Can give.
Okay, so guys, yeah, now you can see we have placed an order. We will see what after getting filled, what will happen. So here again, we are going to trade with a very small stop loss.
That's true.
Here we are not playing the accuracy. We are going to play the risk reward ratio game.
4 point stop loss. We will try to keep a lot of resistance. We are going to try to see. So you should just take our trade and then immediately we'll keep a stop loss as well.
Exactly. Once the trade is executed, we will try to put the stop loss and target everything. After that, we have to do nothing else. We will just see.
That's true. That's true. We will wait.
Yeah. So in CryptX, this is the thing that you can directly trade gold.
Yeah.
And not just in USDT, you can also trade in INR also. You can trade in INR also. So it will be like you're trading normally like Indian broker, like let's say Zerodha or all these exchanges you are trading. So it will be the same thing, brokers. There will be nothing else issue like some crypto issue, something else. So if you see here, we can trade in INR also. So it will be PXG INR. So what is the price here? 4,18,000. And see, the volume is also very good, almost 1,000 crore. That's true. And leverage also we are getting. So this is the thing. 40x leverage. Nobody will give you 40x leverage. Exactly. See, in India, no one is doing this, guys. Yeah. No one is giving you a commodity, a gold to trade in INR, specifically in INR. And also we are FIU registered. We are also FIU registered, so there will be no issue for you guys. So now we have placed our entry. Now we will simply wait for a entry to execute. Yeah, and let it trigger, and then automatically it will be good for us. So meanwhile, if let's say if gold you want to trade, you can trade PXG. BTC you want to trade, you can trade BTC. Both we can Ether trade, you can trade. Binance also you can trade. So there are a lot of coins you can trade here, guys. If you see here, if I go down, so how many coins are here? That's true. So a lot of coins are there. So you can try to find out your own edge, like which coin is working for you, what strategy is working for you, what thing is going to work for you. So all these things you have to find out. Meanwhile, we are doing live. The idea behind live is that to give you guys the idea. That's basically true. We can give our exactly insights about this all stuff for them. Yeah, like how these things work. Yeah, that's true. That's very good. So guys, we are just waiting that like this order should trigger and immediately we can keep a stop loss and targets here. That is what we are trying to do here. So there are multiple feature here also. If you see here, margin ratio, all these things. And guys, it's not like that. If you want, you can like take like exposure less. Why exactly? Because like your commission will also be a little bit smaller. If you see what happened is like, see, this is the truth. So when you take over leverage, the commission, like whatever the broker will charge, it will be a little bit more. So you can limit yourself also. That also you can do here. Like whatever the leverage you're thinking of, that also you can. Maximum we are giving you is 40x. Yeah. Let's say if you don't want to use 40x, you want to use 5x, 10x. So you can also use that. Yeah, definitely that also. So we are providing you all kind of flexibility. Yeah, that's so. If you really are interested in trading, and like some people excuse us that there's no Indian exchange who's providing this kind of stuff, like they are not providing gold. I want to trade gold in Indian rupee. So we are also providing that. That's so now I don't think there should be any excuse left. Yeah. Now only thing is that execution. That's true. So instead of giving an excuse, try to start doing execution. Same thing our trade should also execute now. Exactly. So it's basically yeah, 17, it's coming exactly, it went here, half a dollar, like 0.3. Exactly. 30 cents, it's reverse price. Let's see what happens. Yeah, we'll see. Order is still open. Once we get fill, we'll put stop loss target everything. We can place it before also. Yeah, before also if you want. Now also yeah, we can cancel it and we can place. There is no restrictions about it. So now if I want to place a stop loss order, so now what happen? I just need to take a stop loss and exactly. So now what I will do? I need to keep a sell stop loss. So stop loss I need to keep at two. This is the profit. Yeah. So let's say we will go with the 4610, and this we will go with the 4624, guys. 25. So now we will confirm the order. Right. So, yeah. 4610. 10. Confirm. So now you see here, we have placed everything. Now we can place a sell short. But basically, the fall everything is placed, guys. Market started falling from there only. You see, we missed our entry. Yeah. So everything was right. Analysis was right. Everything was right. But it didn't do missed. Yeah, zero. It's a very tiny. Exactly. This thing was there. So see, even if the entry missed, we should not try to catch. Yeah, we should not. We will only wait. Yeah, you should not like that. Okay, now so 5 rupees is down, it will go down only. It's not like that. It can go again reverse also. There's nothing like that. So okay, never try to catch a falling knife. Yeah, that's true. That's we should never try to. Never try to catch a falling knife. We will try to wait for a new setup to achieve in the market, if, and then in the next 15 minutes we are not getting entry, we will simply avoid. Yeah, we will next find like because opportunities are going to be there. It's a 24-hour market. Yeah. Once opportunity you missed, don't be like feel FOMO. Wait for another opportunity. That's true. It will keep coming. No need of worrying about that all opportunities. Okay, you will be getting that all stuff. Silver is supporting majorly. Yeah. So just we missed our entry, guys. Just missed our entry. If you see from here to here, I think we get almost 1:1.5. You see here. You see, guys, I think
Yeah,
almost 1 is to 1.5. So we missed our entry mark just by some few cents only. But still, it's fine. What we trying to tell you is that do the analysis correct way, mark your entries, and then wait. After that, everything depends on the market.
that's true.
Entry is something that we can control. Stop loss is something that we can control. How the market is going to react, that is something that we are not going to control.
That's true. That's true. So it missed our entry by so small. You can see
Yeah,
that
very
very
small fraction.
marginal.
Exactly.
That's true. That's no issues. Again, we will try to find an entry. Okay, no issues about
Yeah.
it. Okay, if the price again comes back to this level, however, order everything is pending only there,
Yeah.
it will automatically trigger. Like if it's coming here, that's fine. We can't do anything for it.
So just a bit we missed our entry. Just
So
a little
can
bit.
we find any BTC trades here?
Yeah. So let's try to find BTC. See, this is a good thing now. If gold you miss, go switch the asset,
Change the BTC and we'll try to see in BTC
switch the
trades.
asset, and we can find something good in BTC.
Yeah, definitely. Why not?
It's not something that we should also only stick with gold or only stick with BTC.
So if you say like I'm seeing a full consolidation, a range from like
Exactly.
95,000 to like you say 95,500 to 95,800. So it's kind of a range only. It's
Very
range not
narrow range.
complete.
Yeah, very narrow range for
Very
BTC.
narrow range. It's BTC trend in
And
the
also
narrow
one
range.
more thing is that BTC was in a very down, like in a downtrend
Yeah, yeah. It
for a
was a
longer time.
crazy. Well, yeah, yeah. You can see here.
Yeah.
It was kind of a very. This is
This is BTC, guys. If you see,
yeah,
yeah,
see, it started like from 25,000, it came to like 80,000. So again,
yeah.
it's
So
trading at
almost, I think
95,000.
130, 30% down.
Yeah, yeah. So
So
basically,
yeah,
you can see here
almost
30,
33%. So
36%
one third of the value
wiped
went
out
away.
from the
Exactly,
market.
wiped out.
So we can see a good consolidation. Let's see any trades we are getting in a like 30 minutes time frame perspective manner. It's a basically consolidation only. So again, we can think of the open price volatility, like or the day high. So day
Exactly.
high is like
Same few session
95,800.
high.
Like
So
800 points. It's there. What we can do is like
so what we can do is that we can create a something or make a channel like something.
so the high we can again sell from there.
Yeah. So at high, what we will do? So guys, see this channel trading is a very good trading. It's a very simple
If
trading.
market is in consolidation,
Exactly. Every time you see the market is testing the bottom of the zone, you have to go long.
correct.
You just have to go long. Nothing else you have to do. For example, once you create this range, mark the high and low. This high can act as a supply zone.
Yeah, now we can do a trade. Like
Exactly.
we can like 800 we can sell and 200 points like 26 96,000 it's actually the resistance
Exactly.
level. And
Exactly.
again we can capture 25,200. So it is a very good risk reward also.
Risk reward also, exactly.
We
So
can
every time it is testing the bottom, you have to go long with the high of the range as a target.
that's true.
So based on the target, what you can do is that let's say I want to go long. So what I will do, I will go long from here. This range high will be my target, and based on target, I can place my stop loss as 1 is to 2.
That's true.
So my stop loss will something come here, guys. So you see here, it's far below the previous swing lows.
That's right. If you want liquidity stability,
Exactly. So there are multiple types of strategies. Like in live long wealth, also we are teaching all this stuff.
yeah. So this also like we can do or like see now or what we can plan is like a short position from 800 level.
Exactly.
Okay, and keep it 200. That is like in 90,000 itself is a
Yeah,
psychological round
exactly.
number.
So round level also.
Yeah, so then we can target our 1 is to 2 stuff here easily. Within a range
Exactly.
only we can
Within a
calculate.
range only.
Yeah, this stuff also can because sometimes it reacts anytime, anywhere in the zone. So
Exactly.
this also can be done, guys. So this also we can think of
So
taking a trade.
let's see where gold is right now.
Gold is like
See guys,
selected.
we just missed our entry by some tiny fraction, and after that, I think see the candle in 5 minutes. So this is the kind of trade you have to capture. Even if you miss entry, no issues, leave it.
That's fine.
Don't feel FOMO.
Okay, don't sit in a FOMO. So again,
Exactly.
we can take a trade in the after like when New York session opens, no?
Exactly.
After 6:30, we can again plan the trades.
Yeah,
There
so
again
new
momentum
session is
will
about to open. So momentum, direction we can expect there.
gain.
Volatility we can expect.
True. So there also we can plan for a trade.
So this is the benefit of trading in like gold and forex is that let's say if Indian market closes after 3 o'clock, or if you don't have time to trade from 9 to 5, let's say as a you're doing a job. So what you can do, simply switch over to our CryptX platform. Here you can trade gold, here you can trade BTC. So all these things you can trade. Simply leverage, you will get charges. If you compare the industry charges, our leverage are much less. So plus everything, one more thing is that if you are already a live long well, let's say a client, or you have used any service, taken any service, you can directly connect with us. You can directly connect with this. So everything will be
Algos
provided.
also come
Exactly.
there in our the CryptX algo. We can use algos also. That is also true. Let's see what's happening here again. Try it falling down. Futures. BTC.
So algos also we are going to launch soon, guys. There, what will happen? It will be like completely algo trading. No manual punching of order. Completely algo trading. You can track your accounts, like what is happening in account, what position is creating, what is the profit and loss statement is going on. So all these things will be there. So very soon we are going to launch our own algos. So once it will be done, you guys will get proper notification updates from our side. And these algos are completely like based on very good past backtest data, and returns are also very good.
We can place an order if it comes over there. Automatically, it can take our orders also.
Exactly. So we'll just directly put our order and leave it.
We are keeping it like
95,400.
95,400.
Let's say 95,400. We can capture the stock target.
Profit at 95,400. So this is our stop loss.
We're doing short.
So basically 96,000.
95.
95,400. Take profit. Stop loss 96,000.
97. 96. So now you see,
also we have
second order also we have placed, guys.
Yeah, that's true. We have ready. Everything is ready.
So everything is, we have done everything. Now we will just simply wait. So if you see here, 95,400 is our target, 96,000 will be our stop loss. Our entry 95,800. Again, this reward will go with 1 is to 2 minimum. So 1 is to 2 minimum. What we need is that we don't need accuracy of 80%. What we need is at 55 to 60%, which is more than enough, because we are going to, let's say, play with the risk reward thing, not with the accuracy thing.
That's true.
We'll only simply wait. And if you see again gold, what gold is doing is that, so you see here,
Good fall.
so we just missed our entry here, and gold has given a very good fall. I think it's about to give us 1 is to 2 also.
Yeah.
You see now it's going very good. So again, what was the logic, guys? Logic is very simple. What's happening? Market is consolidating. This was the Japanese session high. Again, market tested sharp fall. Whole day market did consolidation here again, same level, and again we will just simply short. Nothing else we are doing. Just we are playing with the levels.
That's true. So
And again,
nothing like that. We should mark
exactly. You see, there is no indicator here.
Nothing like
Nothing indicator. Nothing else is here.
That's true. Very simple thing. We should try to just follow. That's it.
Only thing is that wait for mark the levels, follow the levels. Nothing else.
Wait, okay, no, never go for the formula that we missed.
Exactly.
So should now I should. So you guys start with thinking that what? Okay, there's a very big candle. So now I will enter here. So immediately it will reverse from there again. You start panicking out. No, never
Exactly.
take that all stuff. You wait for the levels. If you take a trade here, your risk reward will be very big.
Exactly.
See, the stop loss will be standing here only. It's not like a stop loss.
Yeah, stop loss you can't trail.
Yeah, exactly.
So this is the thing. Yeah, like Basavaraj raised a very good point. Like you can't keep trail the stop loss to below.
Yeah,
Thinking
exactly.
that if you are entering at the bottom, so you can trail the stop loss.
It's not like that we could took a trade here. Our stop loss will be tiny. No, the stop loss will be this one.
Exactly.
So
Stop
the
loss will
risk
be that
reward
one.
becomes 1 is to 1 here.
Exactly.
Correct. So it doesn't make sense. So we should wait. If it is not getting triggered,
Then simply we will cancel the order. Nothing else.
that's it. Now we are not
Yeah.
getting.
So we still have 8 to 9 hours till market this gold closes.
Yeah. So if again if the
Again we
price
can
coming
try to
again,
go.
we can expect the same stuff. Why?
Exactly.
Because it's doing the same thing. It's in a range bound only. Correct. So that we can definitely do. So we will wait for the entries. If not BTC, again you find in like Ethereum, in the all the stuffs are there which are like high liquid. So this guy started reacting from here also. Let's see. This is like in the day end only. I'm expecting something like that. It comes here. So that is also there.
So if you check the price of the Ethereum also. So what Ethereum is doing is that, again guys, if you see what Ethereum is doing. So Ethereum is also, I think, doing the same thing like with BTC.
Yeah, almost like.
So in daily time frame, if you see, we can create a range like this. Something like this we can create. So what you can do is that if you are a positional trader, you can go short from these levels. Again, target bottom of the zone.
That's true. We can target for
exactly. And again, if market you are getting the bottom, you can go long from here. So these simple things is only things that going to work out in the market.
We just need to believe. Okay,
Exactly.
we just need to
Yeah.
like
We
tell
have to
our
just believe in it.
yeah, we just need to tell our like mind to like this will work. Okay, we need to convince it. So that's a very hardest thing. Okay, everything will work, guys. We just need to believe and we just need to take a trade accordingly and
Exactly.
try to keep a
Mark
stop
the
loss.
levels, plan the trade, and then execute the trade.
That's it. That's
And
it.
then leave it. Because
Yeah,
after that, it's not our part. After that, it's market part. How market is going to reward you.
that's true. We don't have anything in our hand. Okay,
Exactly.
profit is not in our gift. So it's just like stop loss. What we have in our hand. Correct.
So take entry, put stop loss target, and then leave it. So you see here, market has given a good fall. Gold has given a good fall. So if you see here from 4620 to 4618. So now we are getting 1 is to 2. Our stop loss were 4 points. So if you see 1 is to 2. But entry we miss, so no issues. We'll wait. If we are not getting entry, if it is going further below. So after, I don't think after that there is a point to keep the order open also. Because already 1 is to 2, so we got.
Then we need to exit this simply. We need to cancel the order.
Exactly.
That makes sense. So if we are getting any new trades according to that, we can plan
Yeah.
and keep. So this so we can cancel it out.
Exactly. And one more thing is that see, if you see this thing that this is a support area, we have marked these levels, so you are thinking that okay, if gold is coming here, you can try to go long. It's not like that. When the gold is coming to this level, just wait and see that how the market is respecting this level, how the market is reacting to this level. Then only plan again any trade, either long side or short side, because it's not like that the gold will keep sustaining in the same range.
Yeah, because one thing is like, see, if the price comes here, yeah, new session may start. Again,
Exactly.
you may see a new low. Okay,
Exactly.
you may see a new low, and in that so, like it can easily take your 4.5 point stop loss, right?
Yeah.
So you should try to observe the stuff. Okay, if it is like new session is not started, definitely you try to react from there again because range bound. So just try to understand this. These all stuff. Okay, these all matters a lot.
Yeah. See, trading now, what's happening? Zones you can mark levels you can mark, but still everything is dynamic. You have to understand that everything is dynamic, and it will not one or two times the market will respect your levels and zone, but not every time. At some point, it will break. Either it will break out, break down. So what will happen? Don't get let's say you have marked as a support zone, and you are expecting that when market is going to come here, I will go long. So it's not like that every time will market hold this level because one time, two time, three times you have already respected this level. So anything can happen. So just wait and see that how market is reacting to these levels. And once you are getting conviction and also market is making some kind of sort of rejection here, so then plan long. Again, risk reward ratio has to be 1 is to 2.
That's true.
Again, risk reward ratio has to be 1 is to 2.
Minimum 1:2 ratio.
If you're not getting, then avoid. Try to find setups like this only.
Yeah, correct. 1:2 is a very must and should needed thing here.
Yeah, because Indian market, if you see, it's only a 6 hour thing, but here it's a 21 hour thing.
Correct. So, like crude is also like kind of a volatile because of the news and stuff,
Exactly.
more stuff. This is all going on in the
So if we
market.
check the Forex factory also, there will be some news.
Yeah, forex factory also we can go. Today we have
So one Bank of England news we have. It's not going to give us
that much impact will be not be there. That's completely fine. That currency
Yeah.
like GBP.
So maybe today is Friday, so maybe something no news is here.
No news, nothing. No, nothing impact to the this thing will be there. Okay, no need of worrying for that all stuff. That's completely fine. So again, gold is back to its 4,600 level. You can see here the good level. It's just basically a consolidation only.
Yeah.
So what is our BTC? BTC is basically corrected from there. It's a very long way to go.
Okay, so
Yeah, guys. For like today, it is like yeah, this is what we were planning. We were like two trades we planned in the one BTC and
yeah,
one in gold. Gold we missed like very like slightly.
we have slightly margin, very slight margin.
Okay, so that's completely fine. So we will be doing this. I told you on a regular basis. We will
Yeah,
be
so
doing
every
it.
day we will be 5:30 we will be coming live.
And we will be doing this
Yeah,
stuff.
both
Okay.
mentors will be giving our own insights on
Yeah.
BTC, on gold, our own observations.
Exactly, and we will be taking trade along with
Exactly.
it. Okay,
Trades
the real
also.
capital we will be taking trades. Okay, so okay, guys, then
So we'll close our session.
yeah,
If you guys have any doubt no, regarding CryptX, you can
comment. You can text
comment also. You can do. Plus, you can directly contact the support team as well.
Yeah, yep, guys. Thank you so much for
Okay,
attending.
guys.